The newer Model 3s don't have that push pin right here, but if you pull back the trim, you can see the location of where that would go. This hole right here. So if you do want to mount that adapter here, you could punch a hole in the trunk liner and still use that location. So if you put a piece of tape in the approximate location of where that hole is, and then while you push the lining kind of into place, take something sharp like a pick and push it through the center of where that hole needs to go. And then we'll mark and cut out a 12mm diameter hole there.